Hi everyone, this is day 10 of solving the section A of a sample paper each day. So let's start with today's paper. Here it is on screen. Now the first question here says each rational number can be represented as P by Q such that P and Q are, now these are four conditions given to us, and if we take a look at all of them, co-prime, even, odd and equal to prime numbers. In this case only co-prime is correct, option number A. Going to the next question, find the zeros of the following quadratic polynomial x square minus 2x minus 8. Now, when we do middle term splitting here, we would get minus 4x plus 2x in place of minus 2x. And when we make the brackets, we get x minus 4 into x plus 2. Now, from this bracket, we get value of x as 4, and from this bracket, we get the value of x as minus 2. So the answer is option number B, 4 comma minus 2. Going to the next question here, we have question number 3. The sum of zeros of the polynomial x square minus 5x plus 6 is equals to. Now sum of zeros is nothing but minus b by a. And in this particular polynomial, we can see that this is minus 5 and a is 1. So minus b by a is minus of minus 5 by 1. Minus of minus 5 is 5. 5 by 1 is nothing but 5. Option number C. Going to the next question, the sum of two numbers is 18 and they are alternate even numbers. Now, if they are alternate even numbers, we can say that the numbers are 2x and 2x plus 2 and their sum is given to us 18. We have to find the largest of the two, so we have to find this number 2x plus 2. When I simplify this, I get 4x plus 2 is 18, or I can write 4x is equals to 16, which gives me x is equals to 4. Now when I put x is equals to 4 in this, I get 2 times 4 is 8, 8 plus 2 is 10. So the largest number is D, 10. Going to the next question, the lines represented by system of equations a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equals to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is 0 are not parallel if. Now we have to find which of these conditions will give us not parallel lines. So first let us write the condition for parallel lines. Parallel lines are a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2 not equals to c1 by c2. Now let's first check out option number A. This is given in multiplication. We know no condition of multiplication. But if I take this A2 to the LHS and this B2 to the RHS, it becomes A1 by A2 not equals to B1 by B2. A1 by A2 not equals to B1 by B2 is actually the condition for intersecting lines. And intersecting lines are not parallel. So our answer is straight away option A. You can check out the other options as well. Going to the next question, any point on the x-axis will have. Now, any point on the x-axis has a certain value for the x-coordinate, but its y-coordinate is always 0. So, answer is option number C. Going to the next question, question number 7. Given below, the graph shows the location of Raju's house, garden, and playground. Now, which of the following options is correct? We are given certain relations between the distances in these 3 points. So, let's just find out the distances first. H and P, distance between house and playground, we apply distance formula. X2 minus x1, 2 minus of minus 2, it's 2 plus 2, 4, 4 square 16. And similarly for y, we have 2 minus of minus 2, again 4, 4 square 16, 16 plus 16, 32, all under root 32. That is 4 root 2 units, or 1 unit is equal to 1 kilometer is given. Then we find HG, x2 minus x1, again applying distance formula, that is 4 square plus, now y is same, so 0, so 16 plus 0 a whole under root 16 root, this is 4 units. Similarly we find pg, and when we find this particular length we again get 4 units. Now which of the following options is incorrect? First one, HP is greater than HG. HP is 4 root 2, HG is 4. So yes, this is correct. GP is equal to GH. Yes, this is correct. HP is less than GP. Now HP is 4 root 2, GP is 4. HP is not less than GP, hence this is incorrect. So C is our answer. You can also check out the other the last option, but yeah, we have option number C as our answer. Going to question number 8. P and Q are points on sides AB and AC. So if I draw a particular triangle A, B, C, P is somewhere here, Q is here. If AP is 3, PB is 6, AQ is 5, QC is 10, then we have to find BC and the options are in terms of PQ. So let's just join PQ here. Now I can prove these two triangles, triangle APQ, this one, I can prove triangle APQ and triangle ABC similar by SAS similarity. And with these, we can say that these two triangles would be similar. And from CPST, we would be able to say AP by AB is equals to PQ by BC, from which we'll get our desired result. Now, AP is given 3, but AB is 3 plus 6, 9 is equals to PQ by BC. 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. Now, when I cross multiply, I get BC is equals to 3 times PQ, option number B. Going to the next question, triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF is given. We have the lengths of AB, BC, CA and EF. We have to find the perimeter of triangle DEF. Now this I have discussed in some other video as well of this same series only. If we have two ways of solving this. First, we can apply CPST for each side of triangle DEF. We are given EF. We can find DE and DF also using CPST and then add all of them to get the perimeter. Or we can use a shorter method which says that the ratio of the sides of triangles is equal to the ratio of their perimeters. Now, EF, in this particular statement, we are given ABC similar to DEF. So EF corresponds to BC. So I can say BC by EF would be the ratio of the perimeter of triangle ABC. Triangle ABC is 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 2.5, 7.5 upon perimeter of triangle DF, let it be X. Now BC is given to us 4, EF is given 2, BC is given 2, EF is given 4, 7.5 by X. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. We cross multiply, we get X is equal to 15, option number A. Going to the next question. The perimeter of two similar triangles ABC and PQR are 32 and 24 respectively. If PQ is 12, then find AB. Now, this again uses the reverse concept of question number 9. We are given the perimeters of ABC and PQR and we know that their ratio is equal to the ratio of the corresponding sides only. So we can say 32 by 24 would be equal to, first we write AB by PQ. Now we have to find AB here, but PQ is given 12. If I don't consider this middle expression, here we have 8 4s are and 8 3s are, 3 1s are and 3 4s are here. Now I cross multiply, 4 4s are 16. So AP is 16, option number B. Going to the next question. Find the value of sec A if tan A is equal to root 3. Now tan A is root 3. The value of tan is root 3 when the angle theta is 60 degree. So tan A is actually equal to 60 degree, tan 60 degree. So A is 60 degree. Now I have to find sec A. If I apply the theorem we have with us, which is 1 plus tan square A is equals to sec square A. Herein I have 1 plus tan A is given root 3. So root 3 square is 3, 1 plus 3 and we get sec square A. So it means nothing but sec square A is equals to 4. So when we under root this, we get sec A is equals to plus minus root 2. So we did not even need the value of A. But yeah, when we are given tan A is equals to root 3, the first thing that should click us is that the angle theta is 60 degrees. Going to the next question. Sine 2A is root 3 sine A for the value of A. Now, we can solve this using option out method as well because we're given just 4 particular values and these are all common angles. So, firstly, I'll put 30 degrees in this expression. Sine 2A, if A is 30, then this becomes sine 60. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2. is equals to root 3 into sine A, which is sine 30, 1 by 2. So root 3 by 2 is equal to root 3 by 2. LHS is equals to RHS, hence A should be equal to 30 degree only. You can check out the other values. They will not give you LHS equals to RHS. Going to the next question, if triangle ABC is right angled at C, okay, here we have A, B, C, then find the value of cos of A plus B. Now considering triangle ABC, angle A plus angle B plus angle C should be equal to 180 degree angle sum property. Angle C is given 90 degree. So angle A plus B is nothing but again 90 degree. And cos 90 degree is 0. Option number A. Going to the next question, question number 14. The TSA of a right circular cylinder is given by, now this is simple applying formula. TSA of a cylinder is 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h, and when we take 2 pi r common, we get 2 pi r into r plus h. Option number A is the correct answer. Rest all of the expressions which are given are incorrect. Going to question number 15, we have the length of chain used as a boundary of a semicircular park is 90 meter. Find the area of the park. Now the boundary of a semicircular park, it actually means pi r, which is half of the circumference, plus 2r is equals to 90. What I mean to say is, if this is the particular semicircle, then its boundary would be this half of circumference and this diameter, which I can also write as 2r. Now, when I take r common from this expression, I get pi plus 2. I put the value of pi as 22 by 7. So, 22 by 7 plus 2 is equals to 90, which gives me, taking LCM, 22 plus 7 to the 14, so 36. 36 by 7 is equals to 90. I transpose this. I get 90 into 7 by 36. 9 fours are, 9 tens are, 2 twos are, 2 5s are, so it becomes 35 by 2. Now I have to find the area of the park. The park is a semicircle, so its area would be half pi r square. 35 by 2 times 35 by 2. I solve this. This becomes 5. This becomes 11. I have 1 5. I have 1 5 2 5 175. When we multiply it by 11 divided by 4, when we divide it completely, we get option number D, 481.25. This is again a repeat question from a previous video of this series only. You can write it in the comments which video it was if you remember. Going to question number 16, find the mode. Now, again, here in this question, we are given that these are particular observations. These are not given as class-wise distributions. So, the mode simply here is the observation with the maximum frequency. We can see that the maximum frequency is 30. So, the mode is 26. Option number C. Going to the next question, question number 17. 250 lottery tickets were sold and there are 5 prizes on these tickets, which basically means that if there are 250 lottery tickets, out of these, 5 of them give you prizes, rest 245 do not give you any prize. If Kunal has purchased only one lottery ticket, so Kunal has just one lottery ticket, what is the probability that he wins the prize? Now, for Kunal to win this particular lottery, his ticket should be one among these 5. So, for him, the favorable outcomes are 5 upon total outcomes, which is 250. 5 ones are, 5 50s are, 1 by 50, option number A. Going to the next question, the median of a distribution divides it into. Now, median is actually if we arrange the complete observations we have into, say, ascending or descending order in like increasing or decreasing order, then the median is the middle value. So there are equal number of terms to its left and equal number of terms to its right. Thus the median of a distribution divides it into 2 equal parts. Option number A. Going to the next question. Assertion reasoning. If the points A 4, 3 and B x, 5 lie on a circle with center O, then the value of x is 2. Now, if these 2 points lie on a circle, we can say that the distance with point O would be equal because we have the radius here. Firstly, I find length OA using distance formula. It would give me 4 minus 2, that is 2 square, plus 3 minus 3, 0 square. So 2 square is 4 root 4. We can have either 2 or minus 2. Since distance cannot be negative, minus 2 is rejected. So OA is 2. Now this means OA is 2. So OB must also be 2. And I use distance formula for OB again. I have x minus 2 square plus 5 minus 3, that's 2 square, is equals to 2. Now I take this root to the other side, it gets squared, or squaring both sides as we can say. X minus 2 square plus 4 is equals to 4. 2 square is 4. 4 gets cancelled, so x minus 2 square is 0. Thus x minus 2 is 0, and we can say x is equals to 2. So assertion is true. And let's check out the reason. Center of a circle is the midpoint of each chord of a circle. Now, if we take a look at this diagram, let's say for a second, if this is the center, this is the chord AB, its midpoint would be somewhere here. Is this the center of the circle? No. The center of the circle is only the midpoint of a special case of a chord, which is actually the diameter of that circle. For other chords, the midpoint of the chord and the center do not coincide. So reason is false. Assertion is true, reason is false. Let's go over to the next page to see the options. It would be option number C only. So we have, yep, A is true, R is false, option number C. Going to the next question. If 4 by 5, A, 2 are three consecutive terms of an AP, then A must be 7 by 5. And the reason is if P, Q, and R are in AP, then Q minus P is equals to R minus Q. First, let's check the reason. Q minus P would be this. It would give us the common difference of this AP, right? And R minus Q would be this. It would again give us the common difference. And if this particular sequence has to be an AP, then D must be the same. So yes, reason is correct. And we can in fact apply this here, which would give us A minus 4 by 5 is equals to 2 minus A. A goes to the other side, 4 by 5 comes this side, we get 2A is equals to 4 by 5 plus 2, that is 14 by 5. So 2 goes to the other side, gets divided, and we get A is 7 by 5. So yes, assertion is also correct, reason is also correct, and reason is also the correct explanation. We have option number A as the answer. Now, that was it for today. Hope you could follow through these explanations. For further videos and explanations, you can visit the YouTube channel of Alwin Academy. Thank you.